What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Atlantis blue Lotus EMIRA that we have right in front of us here. Check out how gorgeous this car actually looks, man. Now this is a 2-liter turbocharged engine. How I know this? Because the rear engine it's covered differently compared to the supercharged 3.5 liter. But nevertheless, check out how gorgeous the Atlantis blue actually looks like. Now we're going to start off with the side lights. These are how amazing the lights are actually designed in a way. The DRLs are located at the top. Your main headlights should be right somewhere around here, and then your high beams should be somewhere around here. So it's a gorgeous finish of a light. Very cool indeed. Now the bottom right here, you do have your air vents happening where things can flow through for your air. And then at the same time, you do get this gloss black finishing that's happening right here. Love the shape of the bumper. Looks absolutely aggressive and very nice indeed. The badging, of course, you get the Lotus badging in this black background together with the, of course, the ACBC logo right at the top. Looks amazing. The one thing I love is the top hood, the front hood. You always have these lines and these cuts angling in such a way that makes it look absolutely aggressive. And you get what I mean? See how it just comes down like that? It's super unique. You see these lines? That's what's beautiful, man. I love this. So we're going to move down to the side of the wheels. First thing you'll notice is that you have your drill disc brakes over here, your Lotus brake calipers over there with your Lotus badging right in the center. Love the Goodyear tires that are on this car as well. Very nice. You also get your 245 35 R20 wheels. Tires here on this car are Goodyear. Love the design. The grey finish here, then you got the silver lining on the outside. Diamond turn wheels are amazing. Now, you do have your amazing side mirrors that we have on this side. Gloss black finishing on this side. You do get your following the body color on the top. Underneath here is in a black, so very nice indeed. Love the shape of the car, how it's going in such a way. And then the bottom piece is in black, very sporty and nice. Love the angles, how it's just going sharp inside like that. So that's beautiful as well. Now I love the doors, which are actually frameless. If I pull this open, take a look, you will notice that it's different compared to other cars. Sports cars, of course, you got your frameless doors happening right there. Now, the interior is in this brown finish, which is beautiful. Love the door handles that are located right here. Window adjustments up and down right here. Hand to pull to close the door right here. Compartment storage down here. CAF sound system speakers, 10 speakers in the car. You do get your black stitching across the whole side of the car, including all over the interior of the car. So that's very nice indeed. You do get this chrome bright finish of a door. And also you get the EMIRA wording right here at the side. Very nice indeed. Now, these seats are fantastic in a way. You get brown all over the place together with your black thick lining here with some black stitching all over the place. Now you do get some brown stitching on the seats as well, together with some black. Yep. So it's very nice indeed. Brand new car. Plus plastic is on it, so leave it as it is. You got your electronic seats right here. Seat belts in black as well. Very nice. Now you do have your, how to say this, the your gears in auto, because this is a 2-liter automatic gearbox. And you get your parking handbrake over here. You have your start button over there. You got your climate adjustments right here. 2 cup holders right here. And also you have your other storage stuff happening down here. Very nice indeed. I will leave that open. And let's move to the side. You got your EMIRA badging right there. It says first edition. You got some air intake for the engine happening over this side, so that's kind of cool. Check out the rear tires. You have your black brake calipers. You get your Lotus badging in the center. You got your drill disc brakes happening for the rear. You also get your amazing Goodyear tires, as you can see. Beautifully designed in a way. And tire size for this particular tire would be somewhere around, where are you? Tap, and there we go. 285 30 R20. Amazing. Let's jump right to the back, but before that, just take a look at the design, how the slope goes down and goes back up. You do get your colored roof, following the body color, right? Top. Amazing dark glasses for the back. It's like it's tinted, so that's kind of nice. You get your Lotus wording in this bright chrome finish, which also is very, very nice indeed. And you do have your opening right here for air to flow through for your tire. Amazing bright finish of a exhaust tailpipes, so that's kind of cool. You do get your amazing rear diffuser in this bright, not really bright, but more like a glossy black finish, which I love it a lot. Love the bottom rear diffusers, aggressive as you can get. Those lines popping up like that. This should be your reverse light. Number plate goes right there, but yeah, let's open up the back. Take a look. So if the engine is covered up like this, it's a 2 liter. Love the Lotus wording right there, very nice. Battery, boot space. Of course, you can only do maximum luggage of 50 kg. Love the lights that are happening right here. Unable to turn them on right now because we turned off the battery, I believe, to not let the battery drain. So it is a very nice car indeed. Brand new car, sexy looking. You do get your petrol cap on this side, right here. EMIRA, once again. Beautiful tires. Love the color of the car, absolutely amazing. Let's open this apart. Take a look at the doors. Once again, you get your amazing brown finish happening right here. Black at the top, leather everywhere, guys. Damn. So handle to open up the door right here. You do get your window adjustments here, left and right, unlock and lock. Compartment storage down here. You got your chrome finishing happening all over the place right here. You got your CAF audio sound system that is in 10 speakers. Then you got your memory seats as well for the driver. You got your EMIRA plate right here, amazing. Pedals are in this chrome finish, very nice indeed. EMIRA carpet wording right there. Once again, love the seats in this brown, looks damn classy. Brand new car, so let's cover it up. Fantastic looking car. Cool. Memory seats, sorry, seat adjustments in electronic. Cool. You got down compartment storage happening right there together with the USB-C. Steering wheel is in a leather steering wheel. You do sometimes get options for Alcantara. You also have your handbrakes right here to put on, boot opening, brightness of the screens, aircon adjustments. Love the EMIRA wording right there. Wiper adjustments over here, signal and lighting over there, paddle shifts. Love how solid they feel. Adjustments and whatnot, all the control from the screen. So it's looking really beautiful indeed. Very, very nice. Once again, guys, just check out how gorgeous this car looks from the exterior. Absolutely amazing, man. Beautiful car. Love the brown on the inside. Take a look at the sides from the back. Love how it looks. Amazing indeed. Whew. Stunning, gorgeous car, man, dude. Love how this car looks. So, beautiful piece of art. So that is it, guys, for today. Sorry, sweating. But yeah. If you'd like to find out more, do check the description down below to get in touch with the salesperson so you can perhaps take a look at this car in person. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.